Every great adventure begins with a single, idiotic, crazy, and often sleep-deprived step. Today, that step happens to be a 12 a.m. wake-up call and an SUV packed full of camera gear and crafty. Some places aren't just meant to be heard about, they're meant to be experienced. Our destination is like that, the vast, shifting sand dunes of Imperial County, California, which you could surmise is practically another planet. The dunes at dawn are indescribable, the gentle glow of the rising sun, the sand beneath your feet, and the utterly breathtaking view. And if a picture is worth 1,000 words, then what sort of literature is a video? When Sadira and Micah tapped me in on this project, I had my doubts. Heatstroke and potential death were only the minor ones. The important thing was convincing my parents. Mom, can I go shoot a film in the desert with Micah, Sadira, and Jackson? We leave at 1 a.m. Sunday morning. No. Why? Repeat what you just said. Can I go to a dangerous place on Saturday night with 3 other teenagers? Oh, I see the issue. Please? No. Pretty please? No. Pretty please with a cherry on top? Ask your dad. Dad! Dad.
Yes?
Can I go on a once-in-a-lifetime experience? Sunrise at the Imperial County Dunes on Sunday with 3 legal adults? We'll eat brunch in San Diego and I'll be back home safe by 4 p.m. Dad?
Yes? Oh, yeah. If your mom says yes, then sure.
Mom! Yes? Dad says if you say yes, he'll say yes. Fine. Yes! With that out of the way, there is nothing else to worry about, besides heatstroke and death. Here's the plan. Sadira will drive and pick up Jackson, then me, then Micah with all of the postcard gear. From home to the dunes is about 230 miles. At our pace, that's roughly a 4-hour drive. Plenty of time to enjoy the open road and maybe even get some sleep in. For sustenance, we're keeping it simple but effective. Granola bars and other small snacks for quick energy, sandwiches for something more substantial, and lots of water to keep us hydrated. And then there's the gear. My trusty Sony a6700, extra batteries, a variety of lenses, and some cleaning gear in case of sand. Oh, and let's not forget the weather. It's going to be a blistering 113 degrees out there, so sunscreen is a must. With everything planned, we were ready to take off in Sadira's purple Lamborghini.
Oh, sorry, Loki.
She made us match outfits.
No.
Can you believe that?
That's
Wow.
Can you believe that?
I can't.
I'm so flattered.
That wasn't.
My goodness.
That wasn't the.
I drink till I'm drunk.
Well, we're not
Smoke
gonna be in the
till
same
high.
shots together.
Castle on the hill.
Only you and Jessica are gonna be in the same shots, and me and Mike are gonna be.
Why do I gotta
Wow.
do the same one as Jessica?
Wow.
Like her or something. To direct you guys.
Okay.
You have to direct us for a video postcard?
You wouldn't get it. You would get it.
When I think of Michael Lai, I think of this outfit right here.
Dude, that's what we're saying.
Alright, no one will say that except for me,
No.
buddy. No,
I feel like I'm forgetting something.
Maybe you are.
We just frazzled.
Get the card reader.
You have card reader? What are you doing? What is that?
I love your glasses.
I know.
I'm actually just gonna keep them.
You can't. I need those. Those are my rave glasses.
No, anyways, he was basically just
Thank
like
you.
stepping into like the management.
So kawaii. Wait, this is really cute, bro. It's so cute.
Hey, that's my shirt.
Hey, that's my shirt.
Oh. Bro, it's about to be some
so
wild vlog.
Not really. We've been like pretty quiet. There's gonna be a whole lot of like.
We gotta start some
sleeping with mouth open.
Yeah.
We're back.
What do you got footage for that?
Huh?
Hey.
You're the person that works here, it's right there. Probably. Wherever the f were they at. I don't know.
Like over there.
Over, yeah.
Egg.
No, I gotta reorganize my bag. I'm opening the window.
It just looks great now. Don't worry, it's still gonna look great later.
Sorry. Oh, I realized why my ankle on Sadir is not as good. It's because her seat isn't like 50 million feet back. Somehow ended up in the
No, we're not. We're on a different planet, actually. Jackson, how do you feel?
I'm gonna fall any second. Right now it's still.
Sun's coming up.
Bro's struggling. I passed Jesper. You're struggling. Bro's struggling. Bro. It's very freaking not in the vlog.
Shadow side.
Everybody plays a beautiful game while I'm in Brazil. Cause it's all you've ever wanted, and it's all that you want still. Don't you wanna play the beautiful game out in Brazil? I wanna play the beautiful game while I'm in Brazil. Cause everybody plays a beautiful game out in Brazil. And it's all you've ever wanted, and it's all that you want still. Don't you wanna play the beautiful game out in Brazil? I heard it lives down a river somewhere. The 6 cars and a grizzly bear.
Was that worth it?
Yeah, it was.
Stick. All right, show off your stick to Stick Nation.
This is Stick. Also known as Stickador. I found him walking up there because they're selling that bench over there. It's dedicated to Stick. Dude, shut the f*** up. I don't know what. So yeah, but then I've been using the stick as a weapon to fight off the bug demons.
You know what stick rhymes with?
Ick, it rhymes with ick.
Can we jump water
Did we
first?
get enough footage?
Okay, I feel like no, but that means our shots have to be really good. Because the only reason why we get more is because these shots are bad. But they better be good.
I think just because of the location, they'll be good.
Yeah.
Because not everyone sees this every day.
That's what I'm saying, we compensate.
What do you mean, bro? What about your Egyptian fans out there?
Have you guys?
Yeah, what about Ramsey, bro?
All right, ready for this scenic piss? I'll go from the low angle.
Yeah, I'm not gonna piss off this like that.
All right, yeah.
Like I would go there, but I'm not hiking all that.
Just do it, bro.
Okay, wait. At the very least, use like a longer lens.
I can't see it.
You can't see it. I'm very the evidence.
We're all one.
So call me maybe. Up.
Get the frog and cone shirt.
I think these are kids' shirts.
Wait, I think you should get this shirt.
Why are you so close, bro? It's 16 mil and you make it look like 80.
I'm giving you free content right now.
Yummy.
Yum. I'm like looking hungry right now. I can just like. Yeah, look how like, yummy those look.
What'd you say?
Yo, what's that? This is the part where you transition.
Look, they're all free.
Huh.
Yeah. I'm fun new underwear.
You just got entirely
I got a new fit. This underwear sucks ass. Yo. It's like an awkward length. And the seam goes like down the sides of my butt cheeks. It's like so weird.
Yeah, here's your transition, go. You guys went through the do not enter door.
It's so hot.
Oh my gosh. Oh dude, we're not getting in the car right now. It's an oven.
Yeah, dude, that's why I kept saying there's sharks. Dude,
That goes
you
hard.
didn't even listen to me when I said there were sharks.
He's in the restroom now. What in the shit balls? Car's heating up.
It should be fine.
I don't think anything's wrong.
I didn't give, but definitely there was something happening.
Here, try putting your face against it.
Getting more swim trunks. Is it really disturbing you?
Oh my god, this.
You get the whole entire thing.
It's a video.
So, like Morongos, we pass by on the way here. We can go there. Your camera gets stolen.
Yoink! You can go back a little bit.
Alright. Keep going.
Go, 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 go.
go, go,
Go, go.
go. Stop.
Stop!
Going.
Back, back. Keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Stop.
Woo!
What?
Let's see you can parallel park into here now.
Okay. Windows are down.
Oh, my bad,
We
guy.
should turn put the windows down.
Okay.
Cute.
Wow.
That's
That's not nice.
I'm feeling some tension here. True adventure is never in the destination, but rather in the journey. Our trip to the dunes wasn't just about filming postcards. Every mishap, every detour, every unexpected moment added to our experience. Many amazing memories often come from the spontaneous, like Micah rolling down the dune, or Jackson intently watching horse races, Sadira's new swim trunks, or my bittersweet farewell to the borrowed lens. Sprinting down a dune as the first light of dawn kissed the horizon, I wasn't fazed by the sand in my shoes and the sweat pouring down my face. In fact, I was glad of the discomfort, because it reminded me that the thrill of adventuring comes from being out of your comfort zone. It involves the camaraderie, the collective stress, the shared laughter, and the sighs of relief when things do go right. We didn't just take home with us breathtaking footage, but also a new experience that reminds us what we're living for. To explore, to adventure. It's about the journey, the stories we create, the challenges we overcome, and the memories we make along the way. And until the next adventure, this is what makes it all worth it.